Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast for Pisces. So, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know a Pisces, you can cross-watch it for them, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. And friends, subscribe because you get a chance to win a free reading, and this is only for our subscribers. So subscribe, like and share, and you may be the lucky winner selected by random name selection for a free reading. So let us see, Pisces, how your month of December will be. Let's see. Let's see quickly the theme of the month of December for you, for Pisces. Wow, King of Wands, you are passionate. You are very, very passionate, very bold, Pisces. Also, you are very busy this month. Look at that, Two of Pentacles. This is a very busy month for you. You are juggling many things, your home, your work. A lot is happening for you, Pisces. A lot of things happening. I also see that some things are stuck for you, which will start moving. Maybe you are stuck between home and family or work and family. Maybe you are stuck in some things. There are new ideas coming to you, new perspectives coming to you, new things opening up. But there is some weight involved. You have to be a little bit patient, Pisces, because I do see you are very, very positive. You are very passionate, and you are this in this King of Wands energy or this Queen of Wands energy, you know, where you feel very bold, very sexy, very beautiful, very confident, and you want quick this month. But that is what happens when you want extra things, extra quick things. Life tells you to be patient. Yes, because some things are working for you. I see a lot of things are working for you in your favor. So, you know, things are, see, the Queen of Cups, your own energy is here. Look at that. So yeah, it is a month when you need to stay in balanced, you know, between your head and your mind and your heart. You know, this is the month. This is also the month of deep relationships, passionate and emotional connections. Look at that. A lot is happening, but you need to be slightly patient, you know, Pisces. I'm saying it again because I see you are busy and you might forget it, and you are very excited about December. So some shifts are going to happen with divine timing for you, Pisces. Some shifts are going to happen. There will be divine timing. You are going to be very busy this month, and also see things from a different perspective for you. It will be helpful. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. So let's see that. Your love life for Pisces in the month of December. Five of Swords, the Star, the Karma, Judgment, and what else? The Wheel of Fortune. Wow, you're dealing with an important soulmate, a twin flame connection. So I see, you know, someone is running away from you. I do see they have ghosted you, they have blocked you, they are not talking to you. I do feel this person may have chosen someone else. They might have got married to somebody else, Pisces, or they are just running away from your love. But I see this person is realizing your value, and they realize that they just can't break this connection, and they are united with you. They just can't forget you. They thought they can, but they can't now, and they are like, who? What happened? I think they are falling in love with you in the start of this month. And Wheel of Fortune, I see this person will be messaging you. I think they might have already messaged you, Pisces. Yes, I do see this person is feeling the call of the judgment, feeling that God is testing them because they left you, they did wrong to you. Now they want to fix this. Now they are coming on the right track, back to track, because they were like, no, they were running away from you. They were cheating on you, or they were blocking you, putting you in you know, I think they ghosted you, but now they regret it. They keep seeing you in dreams. I do see they are about to message you, or they may have already messaged you. Let's see what else will happen in December. The Four of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It is a twin flame connection. I see, this person is making a lot of plans. They are thinking to message you. They are thinking about a lot many things, a future with you. I also feel that this person is still a little stuck in some past issues, like long distance. Maybe that's what causing them problem. Maybe they have some emotional fears, or maybe they are a little stuck like the Hanged Man. So they are a little stuck and they want to come out of it because they want to be with you. They want to offer you something, Pisces. Page of Pentacles, they want to offer you something, commitment, and they also want to offer you an apology. Yes, Pisces. So yes, an apology is coming, and they also want to balance things out with you. They want to give you time, their love, their affection, things they denied to you in the past. They want to give to you, Pisces. So what else? I see you will be taking time. Even if they message, you will take time to reply back. What else will happen? Ace of Pentacles, a strong, solid new foundation is coming for you. This is a very, very powerful connection. You can't break it. They can't break it. No matter what is happening, whether they are married, whether you are in long distance, whether they ghosted you, whatever is happening, this is a twin flame connection. This is a deep soulmate connection. I do feel this relationship has seen a lot of pressures has been on you and this connection, but finally at the mid of the month a new start will happen. They are going to commit, or some new start will happen. A solid foundation, a stability is going to happen. I do see your person is going to grow up or mature themselves, and if they were stuck because of ego or because of their running away from love, they can't be they will change mid of the month, and they will realize your value. They will miss you. They will want to talk to you. I also see someone from your past, a friend, will also try to offer you this beautiful page, this Ace of Pentacles, this offer of love or commitment. But you want this past person because you love them. You feel an intense connection with them, a magnetic attraction with them, Pisces. The Three of Cups, the Ace of Wands, and the Ten. Endings. Past things are ending, and a bright new start is here for you, Pisces. Let's see that. Look, all the confusions, all this ghosting, blocking, hurt, pain, third party, all this is over for you now at the end of December, and your person has learned their lesson. You both have learned it. You have learned through patience. They have learned to value you. And Three of Cups, yes, celebrations are coming, happy dates are coming, and not just that, your passions will soar in this connection. You are this divine masculine or feminine for them. Also, childbirth or children. If you are married, there is a strong chance of a childbirth. There is also a strong chance of fertility and a new passionate rebirth in this connection, and a rebirth for you, Pisces. You are birthing new in this connection, and they are also birthing new, Pisces. So congratulations. Let us see some advice for you, Pisces. And then we're gonna see your work and career. Advice for Pisces: positive momentum forward, and deception and envy. Yeah, there is a lot of, jealousy in this connection. Third eye chakra. They might ghost you, they might block you, but you both are a little possessive of each other. And you are also very connected with each other. They may be with anybody, or you may be with anybody, but you keep an eye on them, like, what are they doing, So you have an irresistible connection. And yes, this is getting deeper, because third eye chakra, your connection is getting deeper, and you need to follow the signs. You need to stay patient, use your intuition, listen to your dreams. A lot of messages are coming through your dreams. Maybe if nothing is happening in the 3D or the outside world, you will find a lot happening spiritually or in the higher realms in this connection. Positive movement. Yes, things are going to move forward in this connection. Positive movement forward. Eight of Pentacles. Things are moving ahead. You're working hard. Things are getting better. Recognition and reward. Look at that. You are going to be rewarded. Look. You're going to be rewarded, and you know your hard work, your patience, all that you have done, this patience, you had been through hell, Pisces, but you'll be rewarded with heaven. So yeah, be patient. So let's see your work and career. Pisces, their work, career, education in December. Choices, decisions. Queen of Pentacles. Sorry friends, please excuse me. The Four of Wands. And the King or Knight of Swords. Okay. So I do see this month some choices are coming for you, friends. In your work, you may feel a little confused, like should you stay in your job or change it? Should you change your career? You're a little unhappy with your career. I don't know why. Something is making you like you are not happy where you are. I also feel that you want this stability in your career, this Four of Wands. Some of you are starting a new business, or you have a business idea, you want to work on it in December. I also see some opportunity or news you are waiting for is coming, but you may feel like you will be confused by that news in some way, like you get a job offer or you applied to a university but they kept you waiting. They said like we'll reply back to you, or they will call you in the future. So you're like, what am I supposed to do? Should I wait? Should I go? What am I supposed to do? So some news is coming, some messages are coming which you are waiting for, but it will add to your confusion a little bit more. So be clear on what you want in December, in your work, in your career. I also see that you are going to be successful in what you are already doing. It is just a matter of time. You see the Hanged Man. Don't rush things, Pisces. You want to rush things, but this Queen of Pentacles, this King of Pentacles, you have already, you will be successful. You will achieve it in the career you already are in. And look at the roses. Some sort of a award is coming. You will be recognized. Someone will send you a rose, I feel. I don't know why. Yeah, I think so. I also feel you are going to get a medal of some sort. I keep seeing a medal like this, a small medal, you are going to be given a medal, or you might gift yourself maybe some coins or something as reward, awards, like, well done. I do see some medal is coming your way if you are a student. Even if you are working, someone will award you. Maybe you will get the best worker of the year award, or maybe if you are a model, or if you are in your own business, some sort of a recognition is coming, money is coming. But you have to be mature, friends, in your Pisces. You have to be mature in your work and education. You can't be too much confused, or you can't make hasty decisions. It won't go your way then. Be mature, keep working on what you are doing. It will help you. It will help you gain more success. If you are a student, I definitely feel that you will be moving to a new university, or you will be news about college, or news about admissions is important. You might join a new college, a new hobby group, or you might start some hobby classes yourself, teaching something. So you will be very excited, but it will be tough for you to manage your current studies with your hobbies, and you will have to be mature to balance everything, but you will be lucky in what you are already doing. Let's see some advice for your work, Pisces. Okay. Obstacles and challenges, temptation. My God, the devil is coming so much. I'm like fed up now, because the Tower was the repeating card for the card of the year for 2020 was Tower. I think now it is the devil. Whew. We are not getting rid of this Capricornian energy. When are we going to shift? Obstacles and challenges. Yeah, there is some weight involved. Look at this. I see these as mini clocks. Weight is there. In your career, there is some weight involved. So don't be impatient, friends, and keep working. Temptation. You will have a strong desire to jump the gun, Pisces, to leave things in between, to overwork yourself, to do some extra work, start a lot many things, a lot many ideas, a lot many ventures, but it is temptation. You may also not be sleeping well because you are constantly working, but it is a temptation. You need to balance it. You need to sleep. So maybe because you are constantly thinking, that's why you are not sleeping. Material and spiritual prosperity. Sometimes, I think in Pisces in December, you should focus on what prosperity means to you. I think sometimes prosperity is happiness, health, wealth. Not just wealth. Sometimes prosperity is health. Sometimes prosperity is enjoying what you are doing, not just money. So sometimes prosperity is working 5 days and getting those 3 days off, two days off and enjoying the weekend, or maybe working 3 days and taking the off next day. So what is prosperity? What is success? You should listen to that. Heart chakra, listen to your heart, friends. Be kind to your heart. You had been through a lot, Pisces. This is the time to be easy on yourself and not work too much hard. Why are you becoming a workaholic? I don't know. You are into too much temptation, into greed. You're getting money, so you'll be like, I'll do this, I'll do that. But friends, take care of your health. Let's see, Pisces, what's going to happen. Rat, someone working against you behind your back. Yeah, there are people, maybe at work, or maybe you feel like there are people. Misunderstanding, a wall. Yes, there are some misunderstandings between you and a person, a relationship, major challenge to overcome. Some challenges are there. Obstacles and challenges. Tower, success, solid foundation, success with effort is coming for you. Throne, yes, you are going to be on the leadership role. It will be yours. Key, successful outcomes to your problem. You will find the solutions. Don't worry. Moon, changes in your life. Lightning, control your anger. I do see lightning is also, don't be impulsive. Don't make impulsive decisions. It will cost you, friends. It won't go well for you, Pisces. Star, success is guaranteed for you. Mice, discord among friends or family. Yeah, there might be some issues with authority this month. Secret admirer was. Who, you have a secret admirer, Pisces? Enjoy a woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman. I do see some of you are dealing with same-sex relationships. So yeah, there might be a new person coming for you. Yoo-hoo. And nest, an emotionally secure, happy family is important. And kite, a vacation. Ooh, nice, Pisces. Take some time off. I told you that. Don't be work. Be work and play, or work, play, and then work. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.